The 10 most resilient animals in extreme conditions. From scorching deserts to the icy depths of the ocean, life on Earth has evolved to adapt to environments that might seem unbearable to most creatures. In this exciting journey through nature, we will discover the 10 most resilient animals capable of surviving and thriving in the world's most hostile environments. Get ready to be amazed and uncover the remarkable adaptations that make these living beings true survivors in the most extreme circumstances. Number 10. African elephant. The African elephant, a majestic giant of nature, is one of the most resilient terrestrial animals in extreme conditions on our planet. This impressive mammal, found in the vast plains and jungles of Africa, has developed a series of astonishing adaptations that enable it to survive in some of the most challenging and hostile environments on Earth. One of the most notable features that make African elephants so resilient is their imposing size. Elephants are the largest terrestrial mammals in the world, with a robust body and powerful limbs that give them an advantage in terms of physical endurance. This allows them to navigate through difficult terrains like dense forests, arid savannas, and swamps with ease. Another key factor in their resilience is their adaptability. African elephants are social animals that live in family groups, providing them with protection and mutual support. This social structure helps them better cope with threats from predators like lions and hyenas and provides a support system for finding food and water in extreme conditions. In terms of physiological adaptations, African elephants have developed an impressive ability to survive in drought conditions and high temperatures. They can travel long distances in search of water and store large amounts of water in their bodies, allowing them to survive during periods of drought. Additionally, their thick and rugged skin helps regulate their body temperature and protect them from the sun's rays. Number 9. Polar bear. The polar bear is one of the most impressive and resilient creatures in nature, perfectly adapted to survive in some of the most extreme conditions on our planet, the Arctic. This majestic carnivore, well suited to its environment, embodies resilience in its purest form. One of the most notable features of the polar bear is its thick fur, which acts as exceptional thermal insulation. With a layer of fat under the skin that can be up to 10 centimeters thick, the polar bear can withstand extremely cold temperatures that would freeze most other animals and humans. This adaptation allows them to survive in an environment where temperatures can drop to -50 degrees Celsius or even lower. In addition to their impressive thermal insulation, polar bears are accomplished swimmers. They have a powerful physical constitution and webbed paws that allow them to move easily in the water. They can swim for hours and cover great distances in search of food. Their ability to hunt prey like seals on sea ice is another demonstration of their resilience, relying on patience and agility to stalk their prey near breathing holes in the ice. Number 8. Namibian beetle. Namibian beetles, also known as desert beetles or darkling beetles, are remarkable creatures that have evolved to survive in some of the most extreme environmental conditions on our planet. These tiny insects, belonging to the Tenebrionidae family, are found in the Namib Desert in southwest Africa, where they face scorching temperatures, scarcity of food and water, and intense solar radiation. Their ability to withstand such extreme conditions makes them a remarkable example of adaptation and survival in a challenging environment. One of the most notable adaptations of these beetles is their ability to collect moisture from the ambient air in desert regions. Their bodies are covered with a series of small hydrophobic bumps that allow them to condense morning dew on the surface of their exoskeletons. They then tilt their bodies strategically so that water droplets flow towards their mouths, providing them with an essential source of hydration in an environment where water is scarce. In addition to their ingenious adaptation for collecting water, these beetles have developed a thick protective cuticle that helps minimize water loss through transpiration. This feature allows them to retain the moisture they have collected and minimize evaporation in the intense desert heat. Namibian beetles are also experts at burying themselves in the sand during the hottest days and emerge at night to search for food. Their diet is varied and includes decaying organic matter and dry plants, providing them with the necessary nutrients to survive in such a hostile habitat. Number 7. Wood frog. The wood frog, scientifically known as Rana sylvatica, is a fascinating amphibian that has evolved to survive in extreme conditions. Its resilience to cold climates and its ability to adapt to challenging environments make it a truly amazing species. One of the most notable features of the wood frog is its ability to withstand extremely cold winters. In regions of northern North America, where temperatures can drop well below freezing, these frogs have developed a unique survival strategy. During the winter, wood frogs enter a state of frozen hibernation, where their vital organs slow down significantly, and their bodies can tolerate extremely low temperatures. Even if their environment freezes, these frogs can withstand temperatures as low as -8 degrees Celsius. Another impressive adaptation of the wood frog is its ability to resist tissue freezing. As the temperature drops, the water in their bodies begins to freeze, but these frogs have developed high concentrations of glucose and other substances in their blood that act as natural antifreeze. This prevents ice crystals from damaging their cells and tissues, allowing them to survive in icy conditions. In addition to their cold resilience, wood frogs have shown adaptability in other aspects. They can live in a variety of habitats, from forests to urban areas, and reproduce in temporary pools and mountain water bodies. Their versatility in choosing their habitat and their generalist diet have allowed them to thrive in changing environments. Number 6. Weddell seal. The Weddell seal, a species inhabiting the frigid waters of the Antarctic continent, is a true testament to the extreme adaptation of animal life to the harshest conditions on our planet. These fascinating marine creatures are considered one of the most resilient mammals in extreme conditions on Earth, and their ability to survive in such a hostile environment is a remarkable feat of evolution. One of the most notable features of the Weddell seal is its incredible diving ability. They can dive to depths of up to 600 meters and remain underwater for over an hour, allowing them to hunt for prey such as fish and cephalopods in an environment where temperatures are well below freezing. Their blood contains a special protein that prevents the formation of ice crystals in their bodies, allowing them to survive in such cold waters. Additionally, these seals are excellent divers thanks to their hind flippers, which act as powerful propulsion devices underwater. They also have highly efficient lungs, allowing them to make extended dives without getting fatigued. Another impressive aspect of the Weddell seal's resilience is its ability to withstand extremely low temperatures on the surface of the ice. They spend a significant part of their lives on floating ice platforms, where temperatures can drop well below -20 degrees Celsius. To stay warm, these seals have a thick layer of blubber under their skin, which acts as thermal insulation, and dense fur that protects them from freezing winds. Number 5. Emperor penguin. The emperor penguin is a fascinating animal that has evolved to survive in some of the most extreme and challenging conditions on Earth. These majestic seabirds are famous for their resilience to polar cold, icy winds, and food scarcity during extended periods in their natural habitat, Antarctica. One of the most notable adaptations of emperor penguins is their thick feather coat and subcutaneous fat layer, providing them with exceptional insulation against low temperatures. When temperatures can drop to -40 degrees Celsius, these penguins gather in dense colonies to conserve body heat. Additionally, they have a network of blood vessels in their legs and flippers that allows them to regulate blood flow and prevent freezing. The resilience of emperor penguins in extreme conditions is also reflected in their reproductive behavior. During the harsh Antarctic winter, these birds embark on a long and arduous journey to the continent's interior to breed. The males, in particular, have the task of incubating the egg on their feet for 2 months without feeding, enduring freezing temperatures and storms. This unwavering dedication to parenting is an impressive example of their ability to withstand extreme conditions. Another remarkable feature of emperor penguins is their ability to dive into icy waters and stay underwater for extended periods, sometimes reaching depths of over 500 meters. Their diving ability is due to denser bones, which allow them to sink and float efficiently, and a specialized circulatory system that efficiently distributes oxygen. Number 4. Camel. The camel, known as the ship of the desert, is one of the most admired and resilient animals in extreme conditions that nature has produced. Its ability to survive and thrive in hostile environments like scorching deserts is truly astonishing. These majestic animals have adapted to desert conditions over millennia, developing unique features that make them ideal for surviving in such a harsh environment. Their resilience to high temperatures, water scarcity, and scorching winds is the envy of many other species. The camel is equipped with a series of physical adaptations that help it maintain water balance, a critical factor in the desert. Its hump, often misunderstood as a water storage source, actually stores fat. This fat reserve provides energy during times of food and water scarcity. Additionally, camels have the ability to lose a significant amount of water without dehydrating, allowing their body temperature to rise to higher levels without harm. Their coat is another feature that makes them stand out in desert environments. Despite its dense appearance, a camel's fur acts as a natural insulator, helping them stay cool in the scorching daytime heat and warm during cold desert nights. Camels also have the ability to drink large amounts of water in a short period when they finally find an oasis, allowing them to store enough liquid in their bodies to survive for long periods without access to fresh water. Additionally, they can consume a variety of foods, including thorny plants and shrubs that are inaccessible to other animals, helping them stay nourished in an environment where food is scarce. Number 3. American bison. The American bison, also known as buffalo, is an iconic animal that has proven to be extraordinarily resilient in extreme conditions throughout its history. These majestic ruminants, which once roamed vast expanses of North America, have evolved to survive in some of the continent's most challenging environments. One of the most impressive features of American bison is their ability to withstand extreme climates. They can be found in a variety of habitats, from the northern plains of Canada to the mountainous regions of the southwestern United States. Despite facing extremely cold temperatures in winter and high temperatures in summer, bison have developed a thick fur that provides insulation and protection against harsh weather. In addition to their climate resilience, bison are known for their ability to survive in conditions of food scarcity. During the harsh winters on the prairies, these herbivores can dig through the snow to find grass, or rely on their ability to uncover vegetation beneath the snow cover. This adaptation allows them to stay strong during times when other animals might succumb to resource shortages. Another feature that contributes to bison's resilience is their social structure. They live in herds, providing protection against predators and assisting in the search for food and water. Collaboration and organization within the herd are essential for their survival in extreme conditions. Number 2. Crocodile. Crocodiles are true masters of resilience in extreme conditions. These prehistoric reptiles have survived for millions of years, adapting and thriving in some of the harshest environments our planet has to offer. Their resilience to extreme conditions is truly remarkable and worth highlighting. One of the most notable traits that make crocodiles resilient is their ability to thrive in a variety of habitats, from hot swamps to cold rivers and lakes. Their adaptability allows them to flourish in both freshwater and saltwater environments and endure temperatures ranging from freezing cold in some places to tropical heat in others. In terms of physical resilience, crocodiles are incredibly strong and durable predators. Their jaws are a marvel of biomechanics, capable of exerting a phenomenal biting force that can easily crush bones and shells. This enables them to hunt large prey, even when food is scarce. But their resilience doesn't end with physical traits. Crocodiles are also notoriously long-lived, with some species reaching ages of 70 years or more. This is astonishing given the many threats and challenges they face throughout their lives, including competition for food and human hunting. Number 1. Tardigrade. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are one of the most amazing and resilient creatures that nature has bestowed upon us. These tiny microorganisms, barely visible to the naked eye, have gained notoriety for their ability to survive in extreme conditions that would be deadly to most life forms on Earth. Tardigrades are considered champions of survival due to their ability to withstand a wide range of adverse conditions, including extremely low and high temperatures, immense pressures, high doses of radiation, and complete desiccation. This extreme adaptability has allowed them to inhabit virtually every corner of the planet, from the depths of the oceans to the mountain peaks. But how do they achieve this? One of the secrets of tardigrades' resilience lies in their ability to enter a state called cryptobiosis. In this state, tardigrades can almost completely halt their metabolic functions and endure extreme conditions. They can survive temperatures ranging from -272 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius, as well as withstand pressures more than 6 times greater than those at the bottom of the ocean. When faced with desiccation, they can lose up to 97% of their water content and remain in that state for years until they are rehydrated. Furthermore, tardigrades possess a remarkable ability to resist ionizing radiation, even levels that are lethal to other life forms. Their DNA is protected by forming a structure called the tardigrade, which acts as a shield against radiation damage.